Hello, friends. Today we're going to be doing shifts in demand. If you look at the second page of your problem set, you'll see that it looks like this. I have instructions at the top that explain what you're supposed to do with each box, and I'm also going to go through it with you in this short video. First, you're going to do Q7A. What is the income effect for a normal good? This is essentially like a definition or an explanation of this category. Essentially, what we're going to see is that your income will affect your demand for a good. If you have more money, you can demand more goods and services. If you have less money, you can demand less goods and services. Your paycheck is your ability, or your bank account is your ability. It's part of your ability to demand a good. So more money, more demand. Less money, you have less demand. You still want goods and services, but if you don't have the money, you can't buy them. Therefore, you do not demand them. So you want to copy this into the definition box in QA. Now you go to B, income effect scenario, right here. So we're going to be putting an example in this box. You're going to type an example in that box of the income effect. I have instructions for how to do this right here. Right here. Have an example where a person or a group of people get an increase in income that results in an increase in demand for a normal good. So for this, you want to come up with your own, this is where you come up with your own original scenario to match this category. So income effect scenario, what would be an example of a reason that either a person or a group of people would have more income, more money in their paycheck, or just earn more money, or maybe they're given money, something. They have more money, therefore they demand more of a good or a service. And then you will draw the graph that corresponds to that. For scenario B, just to take a step back for a moment, think of something you would buy more of if you had more money, right? And maybe you could use that as a product. So I like ice cream, so I buy more normal good, Blue Bunny. I buy, let's see, more Bunny Tracks ice cream when my income goes up. So don't use that as an example, but that's the type of thing you're looking for. Okay? And then back to here, you're going to look at scenario C, income effect scenario, demand decreases, and then you'll draw a graph that corresponds to that. So C, scenario, have an example where a nation goes into a recession and that results in a decrease in demand for a normal good. So a nation goes into a recession, and it could be any country, the United States, Canada, Peru, and then demand for a product, a normal good product in that country decreases,